we are back in Point Pleasant, New Jersey. We did an exterior water management job here back last season, and the customer had said that they've got water coming into the lower level. Not sure if that's groundwater or surface water. It looks like the fences are down. We've had a lot of storm damage. A lot of bad storms come through here. She said it was in this corner by the side door. So we're going to look at the outside first, just to make sure that we don't have any issues with surface water. You can see the storm got to this panel here on the shower. This area on this back wall, as I recall, had a spigot. You know, we've got all of our downspouts. The roof water is heading directly to the sump wells, discharging into that. See that concrete lid there? Our sumps are down in there, so that's controlling all of the water. There's water management all along the back wall and the side walls, so I don't see how there could be any issues with groundwater. Now we got a hose bib here that the penetration is not sealed up and the hose bib is not fastened to the wall. That could definitely pose a problem. That could easily have water sheet down that siding there, trail down that pipe, and get water on the floor very easily. We'll open up this shower here, take a look and see what we got in here. We've got the shower control valves there, the mixing valves. Looks like they're covered, but they may not be sealed from the inside. Well, we got another culprit here. They must have moved that hose bib. That's a hole going right through, and we've got a crack on the bottom of the stucco, it looks like. That could be an expansion and contraction problem, because I remember this lot being very, very saturated, and that would expand the soil a bit, and then once you drain off that water, that soil will contract, and it could actually move the slab, you know, an 1/8 inch, possibly a 1/4 inch. This is the area that we're talking here. They've already removed the cement board that is on that. We got a pallet in front of it, so we gotta move this pallet out of the way. Take a look at that. The base block doesn't look like there's any efflorescence building up there. I can almost guarantee this is going to be a surface water issue. This pallet out of the way. See what's going on back here. So, looks like they installed 2 other valves here. Looking at the base block, I don't see any efflorescence that's building up on the floor or the base block. Generally, if there's going to be groundwater, there's going to be efflorescence. There's a crack in the base block. We'll grind that out and fix it. That's probably because the soil contracted and it brought the slab down a little bit along with that base block wall. This is a little bit of a spot there. It looks like that could be from surface water running down from the outside, though. This is where the shower mixing valve was. This is that one hole where they moved the hose bib. You can see the water stain there on the wall. So there's evidence there of water actually coming in. And this is that other hole that's in the wall. So we'll seal all of these up, get these sealed, and stop the water coming in from the outside, surface water. And she should be fine. We're going to grind out this crack, which we already did, and we're filling this in with a marine caulk. Marine caulk is very, very difficult to work with, but it's got an incredible expansion and contraction rate. So if you're going to be repairing cracks in stucco in this type of area where caulk will take care of it, this is the type of caulk that you want to use. Make sure that you prep the crack correctly, grind it out, and then make sure that you get that marine caulk deep into that crack and then smooth it out.